Spice Bazaar. The Spice Bazaar in Istanbul, Turkey is one of the largest bazaar in the city, located near Eminönü tram station. The spice market, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar, is one of the oldest and most vibrant market in Istanbul. Built in 1664, the bazaar used to be a place where mostly goods imported from Egypt were being sold. Due to the diversity of goods and spices imported from different countries apart from Egypt, they sell spices, dry fruit, nuts, tea, and most popular Turkish delights. The spice market is constructed in an L shape with about 85 shops here. Despite suffering two major fires in 1691 and 1940, the bazaar was rebuilt and the most recent renovations were completed in 2018. If you are looking to explore Istanbul in a truly unforgettable way, consider as a Bosphorus cruise. The dreamlike round trip between Asia and Europe reveals Istanbul's most beautiful side, reflecting its unique nature and culture while the famous breeze refreshing you. You can also enjoy here live show, dinner and dance. Enjoying the magical Bosphorus is clearly a must for every Istanbul visitor. This classic is the best to do anytime when you are in Istanbul, whether for a great start, a refreshing break between busy days, or even for a finish in style before your return flight as well. How to go to Istanbul Bosphorus Cruise Pier. The departure and arrival point is at Eminönü, across the historical Egyptian spice market and next to the Galata Bridge, right in the middle of the old town. Blue Mosque. The Blue Mosque, officially the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, is an Ottoman era historical imperial mosque located in Istanbul, Turkey. It was constructed between 1609 and 1617 during the rule of Ahmed I. It is dubbed the Blue Mosque because of over 20,000 handmade ceramic tiles that decorate the interior, featuring many different tulips, rose, carnation and lily design, well lit by 260 windows. Although it is one of Istanbul's most popular sites, it is still a working mosque and is therefore closed to tourists during prayer time. It is advised to dress respectfully when visiting, although shawls and outer garments are given at the door if necessary. The easiest way to get there is to take a tram to Sultan Ahmed, from where is it a 2 minutes walk. Balat, one of the hottest districts in Istanbul. Balat is home to beautiful architecture and a vibrant culture. The first thing you notice will be all the colors. But then what? We have info from time-honored tea houses to bustling markets and independent art galleries. Trust me, there is a plenty to explore in Balat, and with its central location on the European side of Istanbul, it's easy to get to from the rest of Istanbul. So whether you are looking for a unique shopping experience or want to soak up the atmosphere of this vibrant neighborhood, be sure to add Balat to your Istanbul itinerary. Dolmabahce Palace was ordered by the empire's 31st Sultan Abdulmejid I, and Dolmabahce Palace was built between 1843 and 1856. Dolmabahce served not only as a residence but also as the administrative center of the empire. It was here that Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the founder of modern Turkey, passed away in 1938. Today, Dolmabahce Palace is a museum attracting visitors from around the world who came to admire its historical beauty and learn about Ottoman history. Dolmabahce Palace located on the European shores of the Bosphorus. After the conquest of Istanbul, the Galata Tower was left to the Ottomans by given the key to Fatih Sultan Mehmed on the morning of 29 May 1453. The marble inscription at the entrance indicates this on the morning of Tuesday, May 29, 1453. The 9-story tower is 205 feet, excluding the ornament on the top. The observation deck is at 169 feet. It has an external diameter of 54 feet at the base and inside diameter of 29 feet. You can purchase ticket from here. Galata Tower is located in Beyoğlu district of Istanbul and nearest metro station is Şişhane. Grand Bazaar. Grand Bazaar is one of Istanbul's most popular tourist attractions, attracting millions of visitors each year. Grand Bazaar is one of the largest and oldest covered market in the world, with 61 covered streets and over 5,000 shops. 2.5 lakh to 4 lakh visitors daily visit in Grand Bazaar. The history of the Grand Bazaar dates back to the 15th century during the Ottoman Empire. It was originally built as a small warehouse and became a trader center for various goods. Over the century, the bazaar grew in size and prominence, becoming a symbol of Istanbul's rich cultural heritage and commercial importance. Be sure to add the Grand Bazaar to your list when planning your next tour in Istanbul. You don't want to miss it. Grand Bazaar located near tram station Bayazit. Topkapi Palace. The Topkapi Palace is a large museum and library in the east of the Fethiye district of Istanbul in Turkey. This lavish palace was the royal residence of the Ottoman Empire for almost 400 years. About 30 sultans ruled from the Topkapi Palace. Did you know that the palace kitchen comprises a collection of almost 12,000 porcelain pieces, including a celadon ball from China that would apparently change color if the food within contained poison? Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia was constructed as a cathedral and served as the world's largest Christian church for nearly 1,000 years. Hagia Sophia was the principal cathedral of the Eastern Orthodox Church. It was a center of Christian worship, education, and art. In 1453, the Ottoman Empire, led by Sultan Mehmed II, captured Constantinople. The Hagia Sophia was then converted into a mosque, marking a significant change in its function and ownership. In 1935, following the establishment of the Republic of Turkey under Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the Hagia Sophia was secularized and transformed into a museum. The Hagia Sophia was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985, recognized for its architectural and historical significance. You can buy an offline ticket from here, and Hagia Sophia is located near Sultan Ahmed tram station. Basilica Cistern. The Basilica Cistern, located in Istanbul, Turkey, is an ancient underground water reserve with a fascinating history. The cistern is one of the largest of several hundred ancient cisterns that lie beneath the city. It has the capacity to hold around 80,000 cubic meters of water approximately 21 million gallons. The cistern measures approximately 138 meters long and 65 meters wide, supported by 336 marble columns, each 9-meter high. The columns were sourced from various locations, showcasing a range of architectural style including Corinthians and Ionic. The primary purpose of the basilica cistern was to store and supply water to the city and the imperial palace, especially during sieges when water supply was critical. As the largest cistern in the world, it's definitely worth a visit. Plus, it's located near other famous landmarks like Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, and Topkapi Palace. Basilica cistern located near Sultan Ahmed tram station.